Between the real and the imaginary, the dream world and the concrete one, the mysterious landscape of the surrealist painter René Magritte comes to Cattedrale dell'immagine. The first and only multi-sensory immersive exhibition dedicated to René Magritte will be held at Santo Stefano al Ponte Church until March 1st, 2020. The project was conceived and produced by Crossmedia Group and Hepco and directed by the Fake Factory with the support of the Succession Magritte of Brussels. The viewer feels like a tiny object inside a giant painting immersed in what is called the Cattedrale dell'immagine, the Cathedral of Images. You can even have a virtual experience inside the works with Oculus technology lulling you into a dreamy place. The mirror room brings you into close contact with the most iconic motifs from Magritte's works as they appear and disappear all around you. Men in bowler hats, human bodies with fish heads, and the famous pipe float around you, placing you inside the surrealist and enigmatic world of René Magritte.
We can say that an immersive art exhibition is a new kind of art expression. So it's really like a new way of communicate and show art in a way that it's really like contemporary, it's digital, it's immersive, and it's really done to make people more passionate about art. This Santo Stefano al Ponte church in Florence, we call it Cattedrale dell'immagine, which means like Cathedral of Images. And the idea is to use the video mapping technique. Video mapping is a kind of technology that uses large-scale projections to really like make digital frescoes on the entire surface of the architecture. So what is really interesting inside this exhibition is that the environment itself is a work of art. So the people will be like inside a place, will be completely surrounded by images, and they will really feel themselves immersed in a work of art. As a video artist, what I try to do is to take the paintings and the iconic images of a painter of the past and try to use and put these images inside an installation which is like more, I would say, contemporary art.